Hey guys, ready for another rap? Let's mix rap with some local music. What do you say? Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Tan ta 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 tan ta 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 ta. Let's do it. Circle of Willis, circular arteriosus formed by anastomosis of two internal carotid arteries and two vertebral arteries. Parts of circle of Willis: anterior communicating arteries, anterior cerebral arteries, posterior communicating arteries, posterior cerebral arteries, internal carotid arteries, and basilar arteries. Circle of Willis allows blood flow across midline when there is occlusion of one side arteries, serving the function of safety valve. Circle of Willis, circular arteriosus. Come on, repeat. Circle of Willis, circular arteriosus formed by anastomosis of two internal carotid arteries and two vertebral arteries.